Mirza Afak. I want to share my impressions of these pictures, which is made by Vusala Agarzayeva in 2024. At first, I chose these arts because I like pink and I enjoy looking at this color. In my opinion, these pictures are connected. I see ships coming to the pink planet, most likely from Earth. These ships probably come here because life is not possible on Earth. From my perspectives, lack of life can happen in the future. The creatures living on the pink planet are aliens. For example, one of them has 3 legs, and this is unusual from people. They find these ships interesting. They wonder why they came here and whether they are treated to them. I would join them in their thoughts because the people who destroy the world and can make it impossible to live on it probably have the power to destroy the pink planet as well. Maybe the pink planet will change people and they won't be harmful.